Good news for all students. Now you can download our phenomenal institute ऐप और कोई भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, चाहे आप कौन से भी बोर्ड से हो, आईसीएसई, सीबीएसई या फिर कोई स्टेट बोर्ड्स, आप सारे ही क्लास के लिए प्रिपेयर कर पाओगे। या फिर कोई कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम हो, चाहे वो नीट हो, एआई ट्रिपल ई हो, जेई हो, आप सारे कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर कर पाओगे। सीए, सीएमए से लेकर कोई भी गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम्स, सब की प्रिपरेशन यहाँ पे होगी अब, राइट। बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़ हैं, लाइव क्लासेस हैं, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया गया है। जल्द से जल्द डाउनलोड कीजिए, पढ़ते रहिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, प्रिपेयर कीजिए, लाइफ में आगे बढ़े। Welcome to my channel, The Phenomenal English with Suman. I'm Suman here. Today I have a beautiful lesson on how to speak out daily life things and events. So, when we have to speak about daily things, habitual things, or universal truth, we normally use the simple present tense. Here we have the simple present tense, right? So, today we're going to learn how, by using simple present tense, we can talk about daily life things, habitual things, or universal truth. For example, my name is Shivan. If you are going to speak out your name, you'll use simple present tense. If you say where you belong to, definitely simple present tense. I'm from India. If you say what you like, yeah, I love teaching, definitely habitual thing, daily thing. So simple present tense. Bank opens at 10, a routine thing, definitely simple present tense. So these are the examples. Now how can you use the simple present tense? How to form it? Let's see. So formula is very simple here. A subject needed, present form of verb needed, object needed. So what is subject? Subject is basically the person who is doing the job, right? Who is doing the work in a sentence, who is performing the act, is actually the subject. For first sentence, I is the subject, next you, then they, my. These are the subjects, right? Now, after that, we need a present form of verb. Present form of verb means there is actually three forms of verbs, right? One is present, another is past, third is past participle. For example, if there's a verb called go, we have past form went and past participle gone. Now go is the verb form that we need here. Because it is simple present, we only need the present form of verb, right? So just like this, I have the first example. I is the subject, then prepare is the present form of verb, and then object, the dinner. Now what is object? Object is the work that is done actually, right? You're preparing what? The dinner. That is the object. You wake up early in the morning, they play tennis, right? So what they play? Tennis. My cousin loves what? Pasta. That's how it is. So these are the objects here. So this is the formation: subject, present form of verb, and object. So moving on to explore more about this. Now there's a particular twist here. Whenever the subject is third person singular, means your subject is not I or you, or not something like between us, it's beyond us. He, she, my mother, my sister, my friend, something like that, third person and a singular, then an s or es to be added to the verb, right? Simple thing. If the subject is not I, you, or something like that, or any plural, if it is a third person and a singular subject, then you have to place s or es to the verb. Now you can say I go, you can say you go, but you can't say he goes. You have to say he goes, right? I go, you go, he goes. That's how it is. Similarly, he plays tennis. You can't say he played tennis. My mother prepares dinner. Rohit loves pasta. She wakes up early. That's how it is. Now, if the subject becomes third person but plural, for example, Rohit and Mohit, it is again third person, definitely, but plural, Rohit and Mohit, then again no s or es needed. My mother and sister prepare dinner. No s or es needed. They wake up. Again, no s or es needed. Moving on, use a be verb now. Now be verbs are means am is are, right? Am is are there. Now if you place be verb, again there should be only be verb and no other verbs. Like if you say I am upset, it is simple present tense, right? But if it is saying I am looking upset, right, you can't say that is a simple present tense, right? So simple present tense is only be verb will be used there. So I am a communicative trainer, right? So it is Be verb. He is upset today. Be verb. You are good at speaking English. Be verb. They are highly skillful, right? Use a be verb and regular things. So it is a simple present tense use. Use a be verb in simple present tense, right? That's how you go. Rohit and Mohit are free. So again, simple rule. If it is I, we normally place am. If it is third person or anything singular, we place is, right? And if it is plural or you, we place are. Those are the examples. Moving on to use of have and has. Have and has, again, you can use in simple present tense, right? For example, my friend has a pet dog. I have a busy schedule. Rohit and Mohit have a partnership business. Rahul has a sports car. So again, the use of the have and has is pretty simple. If it is singular or anything third person, right, you are going with has. I and you will normally have the have with them, and if it is plural, again you have to place have, right? You can see the example. My friend is singular, so has. I will get the have. You will again get the have. If it is plural, like Rohit and Mohit have, but Rahul singular, so has. This is a simple rule of using have and has, and that's how you can speak about daily life things. You can speak about habitual truths or universal truths. I hope you have learned that perfectly. Make more examples and write in the comment sections. I hope you loved the lesson. Share, subscribe, keep learning.